So welcome to 2023 and we're still waiting for the Leica Q3. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and today I'd like to discuss with you a few aspects of this upcoming Leica Q3 that I would love to see implemented, because it's really hard to make an EDC which is better than the actual Q2. I use it every day for my photography, for stills, for street photography, and also from time to time for videos recording, which is probably the main lack this camera has as an EDC. It didn't have any luck back then when it was released, but then lately in the last few years competitors were so aggressive and they all implemented a few features that we are missing in our Leica Q2. So two main aspects to discuss today. Photography section. I'm quite sure you also enjoy this beautiful 28mm Summilux lens that makes the difference. The auto white balancing is also very good, but the real luck here is the poor ISO management, and so I would really love to have a BSI sensor implemented in the Leica Q3 so that also in poor light situations we will have the great quality images that we're seeking. While when it comes down to video, well, this is not the best tool out there for recording video, but nonetheless you can use it for 4K video, 24, 25, 30p. And it has a very good image quality thanks to this beautiful lens. So why not taking it even a step further? What am I missing here? I will be missing the IBIS, basically because the OIS we have right now in the lens is not enough. And if you think about Sony, if you think about the Panasonic S5 Mark II, well, IBIS combined with the OIS inside the lens would allow you to record 4K videos even on the go without using the gimbal. So handheld, like I'm using right now my DJI Action 2, which is rock steady, but nonetheless it has a very tiny sensor. So I'm really missing my Leica Q2 here, because I would love to take advantage of its full frame sensor for the depth of field, but it's not stabilized. So I use it from time to time for recording episodes of YouTube, because I just put it there and it stays still and I don't have to move it. But when I'm on the go, because this is an EDC and it has to be carried with you everywhere, when I'm on the go, I would love to have the IBIS combined with the OIS. Second thing, also coming from the Panasonic S5 Mark II. So right now Panasonic developed their own phase detection autofocusing tracking mechanism, and since the S5 Mark II is part of the M-mount alliance, why not transponding it to Leica? I would love to see it implemented in the Leica SL line, and once they have it in-house, why not also implementing it in the Leica Q3? So the three main aspects that I would love to see implemented in the Leica Q3 and that would justify a transition, a switch from the actual Q2 to the new Q3 would be a BSI sensor, the IBIS, and the phase detect. Please let me know if you agree with me and if you would love to see any other aspect implemented in the new Q3. Just let me know down here in the comments. If you got any value out of this video, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the new videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.